Now, welcome to the new chapter in Odoo development. Today, we are laying the foundation for a completely new Odoo module. We will start from scratch with just the minimum needed to have our module recognized by Odoo. In the upcoming chapters, we will gradually add features to build a realistic business case. Now, let's talk about our new module, the Real Estate Advertisement module. This module covers a very specific business area, real estate. It's not included in the standard set of Odoo modules, so we are building it from scratch. Before diving in, it's essential to verify that Odoo doesn't already provide a solution for our specific business case. Now let's get started and lay the groundwork for our real estate advertisement module. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.